Hello everybody and welcome to Broetje-Automation. We are a provider for automated processes in the aerospace industry. Currently we operate at 23 locations in 7 different countries worldwide. During the past 40 years, our group of companies has expanded its global presence to all main centers of aerospace production. In Europe, BA France is based in Toulouse, just next to the Airbus headquarters. It is also our competence center for operational toolings with more than 20 years of experience and projects not only in France, but worldwide. In America, we just recently opened our brand new workshop in Chicago. We have expanded our capability in the United States to deliver homegrown products to our local customers. One example is the fast plant conveyor system that is widely used in the engine and MRO sector. With the ever-growing importance of the Asian markets, Broetje-Automation has established also BA China and BA Japan as local entities. They not only support our customers with excellent service, but also provide own production capabilities in these countries. Our workshop in Shanghai, for example, builds jigs and tools as well as assembly stations for our customers in China. Broetje-Automation is committed to be as close as possible to the customer. And this is extremely important, especially after the sales phase. So once your equipment is established, it needs to run efficiently, smoothly and without any break. To ensure this, we have established a global service network with many locations around the world. We are present in the important markets of China, Russia, Turkey, Japan, and of course in Europe and the UK, as well as the largest aerospace market in the world with several locations in the United States of America. We are a global provider for automated processes in the aerospace industry. And today we operate at 23 locations in 7 countries worldwide. So if you fly a commercial airliner, we are proud to say today, this aircraft has been assembled by our machines. And these machines are being built up here in northern Germany. Thinking of building an airplane, the first thing that comes into mind is assembly. Our assembly stations cover highly precise positioning and all necessary processes involved. We build all kinds of assembly stations and equipment for drilling and fastening, and one of these examples you see just behind me, a C-frame riveter. This machine covers the probably most automated process in aerospace industry: drilling and riveting. Our fastening machines, therefore, cover a wide range of different machine concepts depending on the customer requirements. From the very heavy, large-scale fuselage assembly systems up to more flexible robotic systems. With the Power Race, Broetje-Automation has developed its own robot. It's the stiffest robotic fastening system on the market. This beauty, as you can see behind me, combines the flexibility of a robot with the efficiency and the accuracy of an NC machine. As you can see, we are very proud of it. But robots are not only used for fastening. They are a core segment also of our composite machine portfolio, as you can see just behind me with our Stax Flex automated fiber placement robot system. All our machines are designed to easily integrate into manufacturing lines and to overall optimization of your production systems. This includes a digital twin for each machine in order to provide simulation and digitalization capabilities for our customers. One example is the human-machine interface called SCORE, designed by Broetje and which is adapted to all our machines. This reduces training requirements for the workers and improves efficiency over different machine types. Once your factory has been realized, you still have to ensure a reliable and efficient operation. And we provide you with all the tools you need to run your factory. We support all different relevant processes to ensure highest quality standards for your production. In the past years, we have put a lot of development effort into digital factory technologies. And one example of these technologies you can see here, the human-robot collaboration, the cobots. Meanwhile, we are proud that our cobot system platform covers many different industrial processes, such as drilling, riveting, sanding, sealing, and we are working on integrating even more processes also from sectors outside of aerospace. Combined with our universal carrier platform for autonomous transport on the shop floor, this provides you the flexibility you need to realize your agile digital factory. Workers and machines can operate with this technology just next to each other. This is not the future, it's the reality today. I hope you have enjoyed our little tour through Broetje-Automation Group and our product portfolio. If you're interested to learn even more, you can visit our website at broetje-automation.com. It was a pleasure having you here in Northern Germany, even in digital. We look forward to working with you. Thank you and bye-bye.